Hi, I am Leonardo. Hi, I am Lorenzo, and this is the Acceleration Brothers. We're in a Mercedes EQS 580. And this road that we're going to is the same place where we did our plaid reaction. Alright. Now we're here. No drop. And now we will be turning. That is fast, but not as fast as the plaid.
You guys like it?
Oh, I really like how it sounds like. Yeah. We have the sound experience on, we have Vivid Flux on, or Silver Waves. But we chose
do another pool.
Vivid Flux. And this car is not as fast as the plaid, but it's still fast. It's very fast. This car has 560 horsepower. I'll show you some of it, and then my brother Lorenzo will show you some of it. We'll start with the quirks and features of the EQS. Here, this is my favorite section over here in the comfort menu, the massage. I really like the massage. It's really comfortable. My favorite massage is the relaxing massage. And when I feel it, it makes you be relaxed. Oh, you see these thingies moving? I'm wondering what those thingies are that push the seat, that push some parts of the seat. But I'll show you something else in the comfort menu. We have seat. We'll show you the seat. Seat kinetics over here. It moves different parts of the seat forward so it can make you be relaxed. Look at this. You have apps, and you can even play Tetris in the EQS, which is so cool. We have a hyper screen. We have 3 screens. One screen is to show how fast you're going. And the second one is all of the quirks and is where most of the quirks and features are. And the third one is where it has a compass. You can also put these quirks and features inside of the screen too. And if you get out of the seat, it turns in back to just having the compass. And there's also a special trick you can do. I want you to do it to show the viewers.
What is that?
The trick that you do this is the trick that you move your hand to something dark and then it turns it on.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
So you have to be in gear.
Hi, I am Lorenzo. This is the Acceleration Brothers, and today I am going to show you this screen and the seat controls in the front, and I'll also show you the back. So now let's get on to this screen in time for the quirks and features. So how do we get this off the compass?
Well, you need to sit on the seat first.
Without it?
Uh-huh.
And the first thing we press will be the seat kinetics. But where are those? Mercedes EQ?
No, they're in comfort.
Yes, it's in comfort. But we don't have...
Now, keep in mind, if you don't get yourself in the seat,
seated, please.
I will get you close.
Are you? And so then we press home, and we press... And we are going to press... What will you press? Let's move. comfort. Now we're going on to massage. Ooh, this would be nice. Look. Let's turn on. Now I'm going to show you the massages, my favorite part of this car. I am going to put the relaxing massage on because it's my favorite one too. Passenger. Now let's go on to ambient lighting, the color. We can also change color. Let's do multi-color color. I want to try this one. Ooh, this is great. But this is my favorite.
And so this is my favorite one too.
Ooh, let's try them all. No, let's try some. I want to try this one.
I
And
really like this one.
and we're done here. And now, let's go to seat controls. Average Mercedes adjusting controls usually that you would see. You also have memory seats, heated and cooled, and massaging seats in the front here. Now, we can move on to the back seat. Here we are in the back seat of the EQS 580. You have lighting here. This one, there's just one. There's one that turns on the lighting at your seat. And there's one that turns on all of the lighting.
Do you want to see it?
And let's turn it off. And also, now, it has seat adjustments too. And we also have heated and cooling seats. The seat adjustings can make sure that you can lean a little bit. You can move the headrest up also. Here are our heated and cooling seat controls. There is also lights when you turn on the heated and cooling seats controls. Yeah, there are lights for both of those. And you can also unlock and lock your doors. And you also have pillows right over here. And you also have pillows on the headrest. You see them. And also, car seat access is where right over here, under this spot, you have, so under this spot, you have some latches to the car seat. You have climate controls back here. There's like a touchpad like that, but we haven't turned the car on yet. Oh, you have the climate controls back here. You can up it. And you can lower it like normal car climate controls, and you can also adjust the air vents. There are 2 air vents. There is one right over here, and there is one right down, or there is 2 right down here. And also, let's get down the center console of the car. Here we are at the center console. We don't have the executive package, but we do have a wireless phone charger back here, which is not a lot of luxury cars have it. You also have this storage spot right down here, and you also have a pencil holder. So how it works, so you press this one time, you see a pencil holder. If you press this a second time, you see some cup holders down in the center console. Yeah, so there's the center console.
The Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 also has digital LED projector headlights capable of riding on the road. Very cool! And to finish, the EQS cleans the outside air the passengers breathe. Look at this as we go through a car wash.
So next up inside of the Mercedes-Benz EQS 580, we will be showing you the outside of it. So over here, we have door handles. These handles, these are also inside the regular S-Class. And next up, we'll be showing you the wheels. On the wheels, we have the Mercedes-Benz. You cannot open the front because it is an electric car. And you can do this inside of gasoline cars. You can open the front in gasoline cars. Well, not inside of an electric car, because if you open this up, no engine, because it's electric. Instead, there's an electric motor. And now, on the front, the grills look so futuristic. Over here, we have Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz badge over here. And over here, we have Mercedes-Benz stars. And over here, the Mercedes-Benz logo. These are the mirrors. When the car is unlocked, the mirrors pop up. See? That is a feature that is in the EQS 580. And over here in the window, we have the EQS logo. This is the windshield washer. You can just wash your car while you're driving. The windshield, you can just do that. Now the other features over here inside. Let's see in the back. Over here it says EQS 580. If you press the top, then check it out. Can you move backwards a bit?
Let me open it for you.
More. See, it does work. Look, a lot of space over here. 610 liters. Over here. Now, how do we close it back? I'm gonna use the key to close it back. Over here is the charging port. See, you put the charger in there.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We stopped the video. I think we stopped. So when we say bye-bye in the editing, you have to...
Yeah, I started on the editing.